Welcome family and friends to my kitchen. I will be doing this chicken in tomato sauce just for you. So you don't know how it go, family and friends. Sunday morning in the kitchen with me, your Jamaican girl, Norlene. So I will start by sectioning my chicken breast. I will be using chicken breast. You can use whatever part of the chicken you like. So guys, I cut them in chunks. I'm using 2 medium chicken breasts, guys. And I simply wash this with vinegar and lime with some salt. And guys, I let this sit for a few minutes and then I rinse it and season. So I'm seasoning with some garlic salt and parsley mixed. I am using some all-purpose, some black pepper, some allspices, guys, and of course I am using some paprika. I rub this all in and cover to marinate. I will move ahead to roast my tomato to prepare my tomato sauce. In the meantime, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. Remember to like the video, to like and comment, and save it to your favorite playlist. After I finish roasting the tomatoes, I blend this with ginger, garlic, onion, red bell pepper until it is smooth. No guys, if only you could smell all these flavors. So I'm moving straight into my Dutch pot. You can use a saucepan. I've added that some allspice seeds and I've added half of a onion. Guys, I'm gonna stir this to flavor my coconut oil, and I'm gonna add to this 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm just gonna stir this in until it begins to fry. Guys, I'm gonna move straight into frying my chicken. Guys, it's done seasoned, done marinate, ready to go. All right, I'm going to jump back over into my pot with the tomato paste. I'm going to add to that the blended tomatoes, stir this in and cover to cook. Now, family and friends, after 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. I will stir this in, guys, so that it does not stick to the bottom. You can always add a little bit of water to your sauce so that it doesn't stick. Now, guys, if you look at the chicken, them look good, and this is what you want to get. I pause to share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from 1 Corinthians 15 verse 57. I want to tell somebody that when the devil throws fiery darts of illness, disappointment, and fear at you, I hope you will stand on the affirmation that victory is already yours through our Lord Jesus Christ. So in everything, be thankful unto God. So guys, this is where we're at with the meal. We're going to move straight into, guys, adding the chicken into the tomato sauce, and it has thickened, and guys, it smells so divine with all the different flavors combined. And guys, I'm just going to put a little bit of water in my pot, the frying pan, so I can get all of that goodness from the bottom of the frying pan. I'm gonna add this to the sauce, cover, and allow to cook in for about 15 minutes. Now, if you've been watching my channel and you have not subscribed as yet, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. And at the end of the video, share it with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Now, guys, I'm just going to nicely this up with some little bit more flavor. I'm adding some powdered seasoning to this, guys. Cover it down and let it simmer. After about 7 minutes, guys, I'm gonna move in to add some butter. I'm gonna add some fresh onion, some sprig of thyme, and just cover this back down for it to finish simmering. It's time to extend greetings. Happy wonderful birthday, anniversary, or whatever other milestone you are celebrating this week. An extra special birthday greeting to my young brother Ayatollah. 100 kisses for you. And to all other whimsical family who are celebrating, know that Whim sees, loves, and appreciates you. So see the people, the chicken done, look good, smell good, can't wait for digging done. And I'm just waiting on some vegetable rice to finish steaming. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now guys, me I got dig in. I gonna see this is good, nice, delicious food. You can try it next time you are in your kitchen. It's bye for now, guys, and I'll see you next week where I'll have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. See you guys next week. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you. I'll see you next week.